So this is my most recent build. It's a GH60 Satan with a steel plate, some black on gray PBT keycaps that I got from KBD fans. They're pretty thick, the legends are nice, no complaints on that end. And I'm using 62 gram lubed vintage blacks. So these are pretty awesome switches. I had a bunch of them, so I thought I might as well make a build with them. So these switches are extremely smooth. They're new old stock vintage blacks. I got them from a junk electronics store near my house. He had a couple thousand of them in the back and he didn't want them anymore. So I got a pretty good deal on them. Bought them all. I sold a couple of them. They're extremely smooth though. It's nuts. And then these are lubed. So here's what the switch sounds like by itself. You can even hear it. Here's what the switch sounds like in the case. Here's what it sounds like with the keycap on. So here's the typing test.